Good morning. I'm Dr. MichaelDouglas from New South Wales Health with the COVID update for Saturday the 1st of January 2022. Across New South Wales, 95% of people aged 16 years and over have received the first dose of COVID vaccine and 93.6% have received 2 doses. Of the people aged 12 to 15 years, 81.5% have received a first dose of COVID-19 vaccine and 78.2% have received 2 doses. There are currently 901 COVID cases admitted to hospital in New South Wales, with 79 people in intensive care, 26 of whom require ventilation. There were 22,577 cases of COVID-19 reported in New South Wales in the 24 hours to 8 p.m. last night. More than 119,000 COVID-19 tests were reported during that same reporting period. Sadly, New South Wales Health today is reporting the deaths of 4 people, 3 women and 1 man aged in their 60s, 70s and 80s. One woman in her 80s was a resident of the Lillian Wells nursing home in North Parramatta, where she acquired her infection. It is the second death linked to an outbreak at this facility. New South Wales Health expresses its sincere condolences to their loved ones. We continue to see a great proportion of unvaccinated people admitted to ICU, and some of these are young people. A reminder to everyone across New South Wales to get vaccinated now if you have not had your first dose, and get your second dose as soon as it is due. New South Wales booster program continues to ramp up as more people become eligible, with New South Wales Health already delivering more than 230,000 vaccine booster doses to help keep people safe and increase the levels of immunity to COVID-19. People aged 18 and over are eligible for a booster after receiving their second dose. If you haven't yet booked in for your booster, please visit the New South Wales Government website and book in today as your New Year's resolution. As many of us gather with friends and family today to celebrate the start of New Year, we urge you to continue to practice COVID-safe behaviours. One of the most effective ways to minimise the risk of transmission is to ensure socialising occurs outdoors and ensure good ventilation when indoors. Rapid antigen testing before a gathering can be an additional precaution. Information on how to use rapid antigen test is available on the New South Wales Government website. If you're heading to a venue, use the Service New South Wales check-in app where available, wear a mask and practice social physical distancing. Do not visit family, friends or attend social events if you are unwell. Instead, seek a PCR test and isolate until you receive a negative result. A reminder that the only people that should be getting a PCR test are those with COVID-19 symptoms, those who live in a household or have spent more than 4 hours in that household with a confirmed COVID case, and those who have been advised by New South Wales Health to get tested. Again, thank you for your continuing efforts to get vaccinated, to get tested, and to help limit the spread of COVID-19. Please stay safe.